Come on, let's put our hands together and let's welcome to the Rock Church of Virginia Beach. Come on, put your hands together all the way from Long Island, New York. Let's hear it for Pastor Donnie McClurkin.
I'll make sure I take the market from Lagos, move it down to the southeast. I'll buy properties in Ikoyi, I'll make sure I own all the houses. Rubber, day, 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 fresh, rubber, day, fresh up, rubber, day, rubber, day, rubber, day, fresh up. If I get money, I go enter Miami. I go make sure the entourage I carry now only Mopo and Ami. I go win all the awards from MTV down to the Grammys. Zanzaman Sugar Bankasa Nigeria one Nza Subani. If I get money, I will spend it in Dubai. My clique will be like Eddie Wamba, Atiku and Mala and Rufai. I'll make money like a bacha. Now the whole of the city I go buy. I'll give some to the less privileged, cause Baba God not the most high. If I get money, some people go delete. Now this song where we they listen to, now him alone go be the hit. Strippers on the road on the daily, I go make sure say na legit. I'll make sure not only this song.